Hey guys, Brad here from Ocean Protect. A beautiful Purga standing in the biggest Filterra bioretention system in Queensland. It's just shy of 300 square metres. But what I want to talk about today is the importance of keeping bioretention systems offline. This is something we do for all Filterra bioretention basins or bioscapes. And I reckon all traditional bioretention basins should be doing the same thing. And it's basically keeping your system offline. So what does that mean? It means basically only small frequent flow events or design flow events enter the bioretention, and the high flows will bypass the treatment. In this case, the high flows will enter the detention basin. But what does that look like in action? Well, here's some footage of this very bioretention system in action during a 70 millimetre rainfall event. The 70 millimetres fell in 20 minutes, apparently. And you can see the vast majority of the flows are essentially bypassing the Filterra bioretention and into the detention basin. Essentially means all the risks of scour and erosion in the bioretention are completely avoided. Also, the advantages of keeping these systems offline also means we can keep them offline, i.e. not receiving any flows during the upstream construction works as well. So whilst the upstream construction activities are happening, we can let the plants grow and establish and live their best life. If you want to know more about Filterra bioretention systems or bioretention or whatever you want to talk about, just give us a shout at Ocean Protect.